The next motion is coming from Honorable Ganiyu, Adele, Ayuiba.
I speak for and on behalf of Ali Mosho Federal Constituency, the most populated federal constituency in Nigeria. Mr. Speaker, I rise this morning via Order 8 Rule 2 to present this motion on matter of urgent public importance, titled The Urgent Need for Payment of Compensation to the Victim of the Highly Pathogenic Avian Influenza, that is bird flu, epidemic in Lagos and other states of the Federation. I crave the judge of the House to suspend our rule and allow me to present this motion, please.
Mr. Honorable Chief Mitema of Bodo, I speak for Ogbea Federal Constituency and from Bayelsa State. Mr. Speaker, I rise to second the motion on urgent public importance as moved by my honorable colleague.
Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Ayuiba Ganiyu Adele is my name. Like I said, this is a motion on matter, the urgent need for the payment of compensation for the victim of the highly pathogenic avian influenza, that is bird flu, epidemic in Lagos State and other states of the Federation. Mr. Speaker, the House notes that highly pathogenic avian influenza, that's the HPAI, is a viral infection that causes severe illness and high mortality rates in birds and other animals. The House also notes that in October 2022, an outbreak of highly pathogenic avian influenza HPAI was reported in Agricultural Youth Empowerment Scheme, that is Agric-Yes, the poultry farm settlement in Ekpe, Lagos State, and in some other states of the Federation. Mr. Speaker, the House further notes that in response to this outbreak, the Lagos State Ministry of Agriculture alerted the Federal Ministry of Agriculture, which in turn conducted an investigation to ascertain the mortality rates and the number of farmers and farms affected for the purpose of compensation. The House concerned that over 2 years after, the due compensation promised by the Federal Ministry of Agriculture is yet to materialize, and this has led to loss of businesses, means of livelihood, and income to affected farmers, resulting in depression in some cases. Mr. Speaker, the House believes that unless this House intervenes, the due compensation and the promised relief to the affected farmers nationwide may not come to fruition. The House then resolved to mandate the Committee on Livestock Development to investigate the non-payment of compensation due to the farmers affected by the HPAI in 2022 in Lagos State and other states of the Federation. The House equally mandated to liaise with the Federal Ministry of Livestock Development on the preventive measure to put in place as to prevent the fishery outbreak and report back to this House after 8 weeks of commencement of this investigation for further legislative action.
Those in support of this motion as amended should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. This motion is referred to the Committee on Agri-Production for further legislative action.